What's happening, peoples? So we're off to the Monkey Temple. Just leaving our beautiful homestay now. That's where we're staying, in that house up there. And yeah, just going to have a walk down to the Monkey Temple. We haven't actually been yet. It's one of the only sites that we need to see. So this video is going to be about the Monkey Temple, basically. Just now leaving the gate. So yeah, see you soon. It's just on our way now. Strolling down the road from the homestay. These the views. Weather's crap again. It's been crap for the past 3 days, I think now. Been chucking it down with rain. I mean, it's still warm, it's not cold, but we've been quite lucky with the weather so far whilst being in Kathmandu. But yeah, the past few days it's been pretty shitty, to be honest. So we just thought we'd nip out. Now it is 11:10. Had a bit of a lazy morning. And yeah, just on the way to the Monkey Temple. So you got your local fashion shop, ice cream shop, and you've also got a restaurant here. Your little store there selling a bit of everything. They're all like this along here. As I'm videoing this now, I'm getting absolutely stared at by loads of locals to my left hand side. So we got some dogs fighting down here. Oh dear. That guy looks like a European, I think. Must have 2 pet dogs that are going absolutely sick at the dogs on the street. Not nice. Absolutely filthy. We've got to cross this road here now and survive. Crossing a road over here is like gambling with your life every single time. But let's go. I think we've made it just about. Back onto the muddy road. Should have put my boots on, but they're still wringing wet. So that up there, if you can see it, I believe is the Monkey Temple. That thing right at the top, there's about a few hundred steps that you've got to climb to get up there. So this is like on the way. A few clothes shops outside. So yeah, local life in Swoyambhu, I believe is where we are. Right, so here we go at the start of the steps for the Monkey Temple. You can tell this one's going to make me sweat. It's all good. Chanel's just getting the drink out of the bag. Ready, Chanel? Ready to rock and roll? Let's go. I took my glasses off because I'm scared the monkeys are going to nick them off me. So I've just watched a Nepalese guy give that monkey a tea, which is littering, but now it's just drinking the tea. Fair play. The realities of travelling these parts of the world. Rubbish. All the monkeys living with the dogs.
Oh yeah.
Little dudes asleep up there. Wow, I'm sweating my knackers out. Look at all these doggos here. So that there's the big daddy. These are bigger than them. Monkey's still getting a photo with him, I think. Little girl asleep there underneath the thing. And epic views, again epic, that's becoming my YouTube word I think. I don't actually do it on purpose, but it just comes out. Look at that for a view, Chanel, down there.
There's a monkey smoking.
Some guy just showed us a monkey smoking a fag on his phone. Wrong. So I don't know how much the GoPro picks it up, but through the trees there you can see Kathmandu, the city. And I can see a massive eagle flying as well. Seen them eagles there, Chanel? Chanel, you're missing them.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely massive they are. The GoPro probably won't pick it up, but they'd easily pick up a small dog. More steps, here we go. Monkey eating an ice cream. So here we are at the top. Under construction. By the looks of it. Pretty cool though. Sweaty, look at the views from up here. There's Kathmandu. So Chanel's been asked for a picture with these lovely ladies. As you do. Thank you. Cool. This is the stupa, I believe, which looks like it's having a bit of work done. So we're just going to have a wander around. Smells of fire up here. They're burning lots of stuff. Prayer wheels.
Well, you've got to do it with your right hand, remember.
Go on then, Chanel. You have to do it with your right hand, by the way. Lots of pigeons. I reckon this is the coolest place we've been yet in Kathmandu, to be fair. Out of all the other tours, this is better than Durbar Square. Whoa! A lot better than Durbar Square. For TikTok, yeah? TikTok famous. Famous on TikTok. Well, we're not yet, but we will be. No, not yet. We will be though. YouTube, yeah, YouTube. Say hello to YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. I subscribe your channel. Okay,
Not done travelling. If you ever come to the Monkey Temple, this is the place to come. Yeah. Mendo Cafe, great Coca-Cola, great guys. Coffee as well. Top lads. Very beautiful lady, yeah? They love her. They absolutely love her. What about me? No?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Picture?
Go on, mate.
Okay.
That's a good.
Never known so many ladies to want me. Thank you. Sorry? Not done travelling.
What's the subscribe?
Put it in for him, Chanel. We've only got 2 videos. We're new.
Insta, TikTok, Facebook.
Everyone wants us Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Even though we're only just starting out. Okay, brothers. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again. Thank you. Tell you what, though, folks. The GoPro's probably not going to pick it up, but my God, it's some view from up here. Absolutely amazing. What a view. This is definitely my favourite place we've been in Kathmandu out of all like the temples and shrines and everything. Views are absolutely amazing from up here. Sun's starting to creep out. Just watching the world go by from up here. People just getting on with their lives. Definitely recommend coming up to the Monkey Temple. Out of anywhere in Kathmandu. Really is cool up here. God, they're huge, them eagles. Epic. So, back down we go. Back down from the top, gonna see if we can go get a nice drink and sit down. Picking spots.
It's like what I like to do.
That's what Chanel does to me. So that's the end of the Monkey Temple. Great place, definitely worth visiting. So back down the steps we come up next to all this rubbish. Not nice to see. It was very clean at the top. No, thank you, brother. So yeah, end of the tour of the Monkey Temple. Nearly back at the homestay now. Ready for a drink, I'll tell you that. Bloody hell. I'm back at the homestay.
Peter's home.
Peter home. And we're back.